Welcome, dear children. In this video session, you are going to learn Unit 1 Poem Mother Nature. Children, what is nature? Nature is the world around us. Everything we see around us, right from the moment we step outside our home, is part of the nature. The surroundings we live in, the food we eat, the water we drink, the air we breathe, everything belongs to the nature. The trees, flowers, fruits, insects, fish, sun, moon, stars, everything that makes our surroundings so beautiful are part of the nature. We depend on nature every time and for everything. Then, what is Mother Nature? Is she a human? No, she is not a human. Here, nature is personified as a woman. Personification means மனித பண்புகளை மனிதர் அல்லாதவைகளுக்கு ஏற்றி சொல்லுது. So, here, Mother Nature is used to refer nature. Children, today, humans are harming the environment by polluting and damaging it. Children, it is our duty to keep our surroundings clean. So, plastics use biodegradable materials, plant more trees. Okay, children, let us learn more about Mother Nature through our poem. Let us listen to the poem Mother Nature. Look at the hospitality of Mother Nature. It gives everything to all creature. There are no strangers under the tree. Enjoy the shadows and fruits for free. There is a home for bird and refreshing place for the herd. This virtue is our culture. Follow it in your future. Always welcome with smiling face, wins the hearts in life's race. Fortune knocks with its best those who cares for their guest. Children, let us listen to its explanation line by line. First line, look at the hospitality of the Mother Nature. In this poem, nature is portrayed as a mother of all beings. Here, what is meant by hospitality? Taking good care of the guests and visitors. Here, nature is calm and patient with her children. The next line, it gives everything to all creature. Children, what is meant by creature? உயிரினங்கள். இந்த உலகத்தில் வாழ்கிற எல்லா உயிரினங்களுக்கும் பேர் தான் creature. It gives everything in the sense food, shelter, etc. It provides everything to all creature. Next line, there are no strangers under the tree. Children, what is meant by strangers? அந்நியர்கள், அறிமுகம் இல்லாதவர்கள். Sometimes we will not let strangers into our home, isn't it? But the tree is not like that. It gives shelter, protection, shade to everyone who comes under the tree. There are no strangers under the tree. Enjoy the shadows and fruits for free. Children, trees are very important. They give us oxygen, cleans air. Anyone can enjoy the shade and fruits of the tree, that too for free. Without paying anything, we can enjoy. Next line, there is a home for bird. Children, you can see here variety of birds. They build their nest and lives happily. Trees provide shelter from rain and sun. It also provides food for them. So it lives happily. And refreshing place for the herd. Children, what is mean by refreshing? Renewing. Puttunarchi. What is mean by herd? Herd means கூட்டம் or mandai. You can see cows and goats, they wander around and lie down under a tree and gets refreshed. Not only cows and goats, but human beings also gets refreshed under the tree. This virtue is our culture. Virtue means high moral behavior. What is a moral behavior in this poem, children? Very good. It's hospitality. So what is mean by culture? The habits and customs of a particular society. Culture means கலாச்சாரம். ஒரு சொசைட்டிக்கும் ஒரு கலாச்சாரம் இருக்கும். இப்போ தமிழ்நாடு அப்படின்னா அது ஒரு கலாச்சாரம் இருக்கும். பக்கத்தில் கர்நாடகா அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு கலாச்சாரம் இருக்கும். கேரளா அவங்களுக்குன்னு ஒரு கலாச்சாரம் இருக்கும். பட் நம்மளோட கலாச்சாரம் என்ன அப்படின்னா வந்தாரே வாழ வைக்கும் தமிழ்நாடு. ஸோ யார் வந்தாலும் வாழ வைக்கும் அந்த கலாச்சாரத்தில் இருக்கிறவங்க தான் நம்ம. ஸோ யார் வந்தாலும் நம்ம ஹாப்பியாக அவங்கள வெல்கம் பண்ணணும். ஸோ அதுதான் நம்மளோட கல்ச்சரும் கூட. திஸ் வர்ச்சியூ இஸ் அ கல்ச்சர். வர்ச்சியூனா நற்குணம். Follow it in your future. So you have to continue this quality in your future also. Which quality? Is very good. Hospitality. That is treating and taking care of the guests and visitors. Taking good care of them. Next line. Always welcome with smiling face. Children, you have to welcome everyone with a smile on your face. Nothing you wear is more important than your smile. Smile more. Smiling can make you and others also happy. So children, always welcome others with a smiling face. Next line. Wins the hearts in life's race. Children, life is like a race, and if we want to succeed in it, we must take place in hearts of others. லைஃப்ங்கிறது ஒரு ரேஸ் மாதிரி. இந்த ரேஸில் நம்ம அடுத்தவங்க மனசில் இடம் பிடிக்கணும் அப்படின்னா நம்மக்கிட்ட நற்குணங்கள் இருந்தால், நல்ல குவாலிட்டிஸ் இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் அடுத்தவங்க மனசில் இடம் பிடிக்க முடியும். ஸோ நம்மக்கிட்ட இந்த போம் மூலிமா என்ன குவாலிட்டி இருக்கணும்? Hospitality. Next line. Fortune knocks with its best. Children, what is mean by fortune? Luck. Luck means adishtam. So you have to, if you follow this hospitality, fortune knocks with its best. அதிர்ஷ்டம் வந்து கதவை தட்டும். நிறைய பேர் அதிர்ஷ்டமே இல்லைன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. பட் நம்ம இந்த நற்குணத்தோடு இருந்தால் அதிர்ஷ்டம் தானாக வரும். Those who cares for their guest. யாருக்கு அதிர்ஷ்டம் வரும் அப்படின்னா யாரெல்லாம் அவங்களோட கெஸ்ட்டை நல்லா கேர் கொடுக்குறாங்களோ, நல்லா ட்ரீட் பண்ணுறாங்களோ அவங்களுக்கு தானாகவே அதிர்ஷ்டம் வரும். எங்கேயும் போக தேவையில்ல, அதிர்ஷ்டம் தானாக வந்து அவங்களோட கதவை தட்டும் அப்படின்றாங்க. ஸோ வாட் வி ஹாவ் டு டூ? We have to take care of our guest. Next, again we'll see the poem. Look at the hospitality of Mother Nature. It gives everything to all creature. There are no strangers under the tree. Enjoy the shadows and fruits for free. There is a home for bird and refreshing place for the herd. This virtue is our culture. Follow it in your future. Always welcome with smiling face, wins the hearts in life's race. Fortune knocks with its best, those who cares for their guest. Let us learn rhyming words. What are rhyming words? Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same ending sound. For example, cook, book, sun, bun. Now, let us learn from our poem. Children, look at the first line. At the end of the line, what is that? Nature. What is a rhyming word for nature? Very good. Creature. Nature, creature. Next one, tree. What is a rhyming word for tree? Free. Very good. Next one, bird. What is a rhyming word for bird? Herd. Bird, herd. Next one, culture. What is a rhyming word for culture? Future. Culture, future. Next one, face. What is a rhyming word for face? Race. Face, race. Next one, best. What is a rhyming word for best? Guest. Very good, children. Next one, fill in the blanks. Number 1, Mother Nature gives everything for all dash. Creature. Creature. Number 2, fruits and shadows are free under the tree. 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 Number 3, dash is a culture. Virtue. 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 Number 4, fortune knocks with its best who dash for their guest. Cares. 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 Number 5, welcome guests to win everyone's dash in life's race. Heart. 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 Let us learn glossary. Number 1, hospitality. Taking good care of the guests and visitors. Virindombal. Number 2, strangers. Unknown people. Arimugam illadavargal. Munpin theriyadavargal. Number 3, refreshing, renewing. Puttunarchi. Number 4, virtue, high moral behavior. Narpanbu. Number 5, culture, the habits and customs of a particular society. Kalacharam. Sixth one, fortune, luck. Adishtam. Answer the following questions. Number 1, whose hospitality is described in the poem? Answer is, Mother Nature's hospitality is described in the poem. Whose hospitality is described in the poem? Mother Nature's hospitality is described in the poem. Next one. What are the things given by the tree? Shadows and fruits are the things given by the tree. What are the things given by the tree? Shadows and fruits are the things given by the tree. Next, number 3. What wins the hearts? Welcoming the guests with smiling face wins the hearts. What wins the hearts? Welcoming the guests with smiling face wins the hearts. Next one. Who will be the fortunate? Who will be the fortunate? Those who cares for their guest will be the fortunate. Who will be the fortunate? Those who cares for their guest will be the fortunate. Number 5. How will you treat your guest? I will treat my guest with love and care. How will you treat your guest? I will treat my guest with love and care.